So far here we are at this place or this stage, and what I want to do is documentation. Now I really hate documentation, but let me just do it because I said that we are going to do it when I started this tutorial. So the first thing we have to do is dimensioning. So I'm going to use you double click on dimension. You go to documents and double click on dimension. You go to documentation and double click on dimensioning, and you want to go, I'm going with this size height, then I can change this to 3.5 or more. If you don't go below 3, then I can do this, and I want it to be bold. So I want it to be within line, and I want it to be bold. So the first thing that you want, so there is a tutorial that I showed how you can be able to do automatic dimensioning. I will leave a link. I did it a long time ago. Was it 2019 or 2020? And we are going to do manual one. So I'm placing end to end like that, and now I can place center to center. So end to end, I prefer end to end when I'm going to set. It's better when you want to set your building. Then center to center again. Now when you are setting the walls, it is very helpful. Say you're the one who's going to build it, you want to make it easier for anyone who will be able to transfer all this to the ground. This one, let's take it from this side. Okay, so this one I can have it here, then I can come back with a third one. Now this one, so this one, if I have a window, maybe I want to show the position of the window, position of what, I will now use this one. But sometimes I don't show the position of the window because I usually have how do you call it, the window schedule. So when I do window schedule and door schedule, sometimes I don't see the need of adding lots of information. Then this one, sometimes for me, I can reduce it a little, especially if I'm doing a lot of details. I want it to be somehow so that it captures details well for me. Okay, so we have that. Then we can come to this other side. So I usually hate this because you are just repeating the same things over and over again. So which, like I said before, that's why I'm not a big fan of say documentation, because you repeat stuff. I wish there was a way to automate this kind of things so that you don't have to repeat them. So this one, let's end it here, and here we know it was supposed to be, now it will be something more than 300. Then you can come and do now this, which is not even necessary. Sometimes it's like for these walls, it is pretty not necessary, but let's do it anyway for that one person who might complain that he. So you see the way I'm showing you this, like I'm showing you something that you can take it and sell it, but you find some people are crazy. They don't want to give me any credit and maybe comment in the comment section or like this video or subscribe. They just want to download this and send to your place called me. Then they tell you that they watch your videos. It's more like they want you to pay them for watching your videos. Fuck you, man. So center. better that when you have your dimensions, you avoid to have dimensions here as much as possible, unless you have something that you want to express but you're unable to express from outside. Then you can be able to express it from inside here, but you will want to do it in such a way that it is unnoticeable. I mean, it can be noticed, but not that much. Okay, you hear me? So here we need a door, and it was supposed to be empty, I think so. Do you have an empty door here? Is it 900 or this looks like 1200? It's supposed to be 900. So that you can have kitchen cabinets from here going this way. Then here, because of the lighting, if it is wise, but you can build a few courses, but I feel like the wise option is to just have this place open. As open, let's do 1500, so that you have, but will 1500 be okay? So there's something that we're going to do. Let's do here to be 550, so that we take care of the sink first. Can we take care of the sink, or we just leave it to be? I feel like you can have this place as open, a lot of it to be open to the lintel level, so that when you have cabinets running all the way this way, then they'll come this way. And you can have a way that somebody can still access utensils from this other side, mostly cups. Then we can come, and because this unit is small, we can come if you're doing interior design, but I don't think that I'll do interior design for this project. But say you are doing interior design, because of the space, you will want to have this one to be more like an island, so that you can have somebody can come to sit here, and you can eat from here, from this place. So you can place like stools here. So I think let me leave it the way it is. And maybe what we want to do now is we can go ahead and add in objects, because that's what I don't have here. But it's not necessary for this, for what we're doing. Everyone knows how you can add objects, so yeah, not necessary, man. But let me do it just for the sake of it, and this part I will fast forward. So our kitchen is pretty small. Our kitchen is pretty small, so I had to rotate it a little. Here, this wall, maybe it should be halfway. It can be halfway. Then when you place your let's Control T and change it to it begins from 1000. Then this one can be 1100 now. Then when you place the board, it comes all the way to this outer side. When you place the ceramic here, it comes all the way to outside. That way it will be better, so that they can use this place as a dining, and it won't have to eat a lot of space into the living area. So now we can click on this. I don't want it to be visible here, so Control T, and I'm going to this floor plan and section. You can either go there and tell it not to be seen on the ground floor. I don't know why there's usually that, but since I'm unable to see it or shown non-relevant, you can tell it 1 story up, custom, then 1 story up. But what I want is to just make it disappear. So let's make this one to be white. Cover fill pen, say color white. So color white will mix with our paper, so that we want, it's still visible. Which color is that? I want it to mix with so let me change just all these colors to be white, so that we don't see it that way. Now so text we can do 3, let's do 3.5. Make sure it is bold. I'm forgetting, make sure it is bold. So this one can be guest bedroom, then kids bedroom, guest, then kids, but I'm just calling it bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 for now. Then this one can be, this is the dining, this is the living, or living space. Then this is the master bedroom. So like I had explained earlier, it wasn't a complex design, but also am I okay with sharing this type of plans? Then there's some that you will spend a lot of time coming up with the floor plan. Then common, let's say WC, but you can say common bathroom. This is it will be a half bathroom, I think so. It won't be a full. I had talked about types of bathroom somewhere in one of my videos. I think there's a time I was making This one we can call it master button, but I'm just calling it button. So I thought I will make this one in one video, but if I do in one video it will be too long, so let me end it here. Then we're coming in the next one and we shall do more.